The Montana Natural History Center is all about getting outdoors, exploring, appreciating, and understanding nature. We are steadfast in our mission, and our passion hasn't slowed. We are currently in a time where normal day-to-day life is much different. Think about it. What have you done differently in 2020? Hopefully, you were able to get outside, explore, and enjoy nature. We took this challenge as a great opportunity to continue to serve our community with quality science and nature education. We shifted from in-person hands-on nature education in the schools to going live via Zoom in order to continue our mission. We delivered online content, nature lessons, and projects, all with the goal of maintaining a sense of stability and encouraging kids and their families to get outside and explore nature. This year, we have a dream, and we're asking for your help. We need your support right now to help the Montana Natural History Center to continue delivering the highest quality nature educational programming to nearly 2,000 students throughout Montana. We're passionate about our mission, and we're innovative in our approach. With your generosity, COVID will not affect our mission and our commitment to these students.